Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 17th, 2024. And it's also war day number 875. 875 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes. We have here 3 regular puzzles. 2 of those I've already solved. The 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this binary puzzle number 8914. And before I start, I always count up pretty digits. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Now, let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Yeah, this is a 1. Alright. 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Okay. Still 3, 4 missing. 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once here. Well, I think it's time for comparing, because I cannot continue here. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 completed rows. And 2 completed columns. 101. This is not the same. O11. Oh, no. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is not the same. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1 then. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I need to compare. Okay, so these 2 columns or these 2 rows. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? Double O. What? Yeah. This row. And the second row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have O here. This should be 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. Completed in 9 minutes. Well. With one time comparing. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday.